Welcome to the North Pole, where Christmas magic is powered by ACF Technologies. We all know that this is a very busy season for but where is he?
Hi hi hi! Partnering with ACF is the best thing we have done in 20 years. By the way, how are things going in the workshop?
They're going great there, and your levels of stress are lower than ever. I'm really grateful of the people over at ACF.
Analyzing letter from Isabella, request bicycle, adding it to the bike queue.
$457 million more to come.
Welcome to your DFV office, now serving customer 259.
Ooh, that's me.
Ha ha ha! Look at those numbers. We're more efficient than ever.
Yes, dear. Even our little elf stress levels are going down.
We may not be elves, but we certainly know how to make Christmas magic happen. Happy holidays from our family to yours.